If you're looking for the best hair mousses for curly hair, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Frieda Frizz-Ease Curl Reviver Mousse. Frieda Frizz-Ease Curl Reviver Mousse is the best volumizing curl mousse. Its lightweight and alcohol-free formula does not weigh you down. It gives your hair the right amount of shine and volume. It prevents frizz while enhancing your natural curls without heat styling or stickiness. The non-sticky formula of this mousse never makes your tresses feel crunchy or stiff. It creates bouncy, defined, and shiny ringlets with touchable hold. The thermal protectant and UV filter in it keep your hair protected from damage. This hair mousse gives salon quality control and hold for natural-looking curls. It increases manageability, so even the most difficult hair responds quickly and easily to styling. It works best when used on damp hair that is air-dried or blow-dried with a diffuser. Moving on to the next at number 2 with AgCare Curl Mousse Gel. If you are looking for long-lasting shine for your curly hair, try AgCare Curl Mousse Gel. It is infused with Ag's curl-creating complex, C3 that offers firm hold, curl retention, and definition with long-lasting shine. Ingredients like bio-fermented tomato fruit extract shrink the hair cuticle to define the curls, silk proteins add strength, moisture, and elasticity to your hair, and panthenol adds shine. The rice amino acids in it hydrate and promote your curls. The number 3 position is held by Ox Locking Plus Coconut Curls Decadent Creamy Mousse. Ox Locking Plus Coconut Curls Decadent Creamy Mousse is the best curl mousse with a strong hold. It is blended with coconut oil and shea butter that help fight frizz and maintain moisture. This part foam and part cream hair mousse enhances and tightens your curls. The creamy formula of this mousse holds your curls, tames flyaways, and hydrates your hair. It keeps your curls bouncy and is perfect for thick, curly hair. Next, at number 4, we have Moroccanoil Curl Control Mousse. Moroccanoil Curl Control Mousse is a lightweight mousse for tight curls. It is infused with antioxidant-rich argan oil that enhances curl shape and separation, seals in moisture, and fights frizz. It tames coily and tightly spiraled hair without leaving behind a sticky residue. It provides long-lasting shine and definition to tight curls. It also softens and smoothens curls without weighing them down. This foaming mousse is fragranced with the signature Moroccanoil scent, which is an exotic blend of spicy amber aromas and sweet floral notes. The number 5 position is held by Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse is a quick-drying mousse that gives you perfectly defined luminous curls. This natural curl-enhancing mousse is infused with olive oil and vitamin B complex that define, seal, and polish each hair strand. Olive oil provides moisture to your hair and vitamin B complex provides strength and elasticity to promote healthy hair growth. The enhancing formula of this mousse leaves no sticky residue, no frizz, and no crunch while styling your hair. This mousse has a soft, pliable hold, dries quickly, reduces frizz, and imparts a natural shine to your hair. The number 6 position is dominated by Ox Quenching Plus Coconut Curls Frizz-Defying Moisture Mousse. Ox Quenching Plus Coconut Curls Frizz-Defying Moisture Mousse is a very moisturizing mousse for curly hair. This creamy mousse is infused with sweet honey, coconut oil, and citrus oil that help enhance the natural softness of your hair. It also tames the frizz of your tumbling waves and boosts decadent spirals with shine and bounce. This frizz-defying mousse reduces flyaways, nourishes strands, and boosts curls. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse is formulated with coconut oil, neem oil, shea butter, and silk protein that enhance your natural curl pattern. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes and protects dry, brittle hair from breakage, and neem controls frizz while adding shine to your curls. The organic shea butter provides nourishing hydration that detangles and strengthens sensitive, distressed, and damaged hair. This frizz-free mousse is infused with natural silk protein that leaves your hair feeling soft, smooth, and silky. The number 8 position is held by Maui Moisture Flexible Hold Plus Coconut Milk Curl Foam Mousse. The Maui Moisture Flexible Hold Plus Coconut Milk Curl Foam Mousse retains moisture, tames frizz, adds volume, and defines curls. It is formulated with aloe vera, coconut milk, and mango butter that hydrate and moisturize the curls without weighing them down. This airy mousse adds a healthy glow to the hair and styles your hair easily. Next, at number 9, we have Garnier Fructis Style Curl Construct Creation Mousse. Garnier Fructis Style Curl Construct Creation Mousse is a 98% natural extra hold mousse. It is the perfect styling mousse that creates weightless and gorgeous curls. It is enriched with shea butter that defines and boosts curls and leaves your hair looking bouncy and shiny. It also provides long-lasting hold. This mousse reduces frizz and flyaways without any stickiness or residue. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Cantu Shea Butter Wave Whip Curling Mousse. Cantu Shea Butter Wave Whip Curling Mousse is a sulfate-free mousse for curly hair. It is formulated with pure shea butter that helps create crunch-free and touchable waves. This weightless mousse gives your hair a frizz-free finish. It also conditions your hair from root to tip and softens your curls. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.